Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing devices so Airplay can find each other. Make sure your iPhone or iPad and the Airplay receiver are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is how discovery and streaming route. Turn on the receiver and confirm it's on the correct input or ready screen. Enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iOS device so discovery is fast. Once done, swipe or open Control Center to locate the screen mirroring or Airplay icon. We'll use that as the entry point. You'll now make the active connection using Control Center. Open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID devices or up from the bottom on older models. Tap Screen Mirroring or the Airplay icon to show nearby receivers. This list appears because both devices share the same network. Select your target device, and if a 4-digit code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone to authenticate. Make sure you wait a few seconds for the handshake and buffering to complete before playing media. With Airplay active, stream audio or mirror your screen and control playback from your device. Some receivers also let you adjust volume locally. To finish, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or the Airplay icon and choose Stop Mirroring or Disconnect. If you can't connect, restart the sender and receiver. Verify both are on the same Wi-Fi and update software. Mismatched versions can block discovery. One key troubleshooting tip: briefly disable and re-enable Wi-Fi on your iOS device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.